is that? It looks like there's something under there.
This isn't one of ours.
We should take it in and study it. I'm Christina, design engineering, and I've never seen anything like this.
I'm Samuel Aguirre, the manufacturing engineer. I turn our team's digital design into the physical body that's our apex predator, making sure it's ready for the pressure of competition.
I'm Yi Hongjin, the other design engineer. We engineered the custom Falcon spine frame. Our idea was to eliminate turbulence and maximize our top-end speed.
I'm Madison, the marketing coordinator and graphic designer, and I make sure that we get the funds to sponsor Falcon Drone.
Hello, my name is Matias Lara, and I serve as a project manager and team leader for the Falcon Drone. As project manager, I track all progress made during meetings and coordinate workflow to reduce obstacles between engineering and flight.
I'm Isaac, the pilot. If we get this to work, we'll be unstoppable at Drones in School.
I know how to fix this and design a new frame.
From design to reality, our team diligently created frames that are able to hold 2 payloads for the Drones in School challenge. From what was just a broken drone found in the middle of nowhere, turned out to be what we fixed to help us strive in our competition. Our team deeply researched and figured out that it came from a falcon's nest. This is showing that even falcons, who soar in the sky daily, want us to bring this drone to Drones in School national competition. Thanks to our sponsors FPL and Palmer Trinity School, we were able to have the materials and batteries and able to wake our drone up. Thanks to our sponsors, Falcon Drone was able to participate in Drones in School competition January 16th. You can see our pilot and drone technician, Isaac, flying our drone and winning us points for the actual race. Here's another course, Capture the Flag, which our drone also did very well in. The objective was to turn as many red lights blue as possible by hovering over it with the drone. And overall, our Falcon drone did very well.
Support Falcon Drone and help us reach nationals.